Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Shan Kitchen Vlog, and today we are gonna do Jamaican steamed fish. But here it is, we are doing some twist to this video. We add this new feature where I'll be adding persons or supporters, friends and family to come and show me how they do their cooking in their kitchen. So my first person is Lati, my sister. She'll be doing her Jamaican steamed fish served with tough crackers. So I want to see how she do her steamed fish, okay? And I'm sure you're excited to see how she do her steamed fish, because I bet you have an idea in mind. Let's see if your idea is Lati's idea, and if not, you can come and join. So stay tuned, please. I know this one's gonna be a banger. We're gonna keep it short and spicy. So if there's any additional thing, if you don't want to come, you can leave your comments and leave whatever how you like it. I don't have a problem, okay guys? So please tell a friend to come and check out on our channel. We're trying to make your channel very spicy and entertaining, okay? And please like my sis video, leave a comment, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, I'm asking you, please subscribe. Peace out. Stay tuned. Steamed fish video coming up.
So this is some of my seasoning so far. I have onion, Irish potato, thyme. I have string beans. I'm gonna do some fried fish for later on, but I'm going to steam this sexy little thing here. Yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, so our season is almost cooked. You know, our fish is not going to take long, so we're going to put it in. Yeah. So let's do this. Let's do this. Soon I come back again. Here we go. We are done. So we place our crackers on top. So what we can do, just allow the crackers to just somewhat moist. Some persons like their crackers half moist. So sometimes they don't like the crackers too soft. So at least we can give it about 2 minutes. That's an appropriate time. Right, have fun. Lati in the kitchen. Oh, so we are done. Hold on. Yeah, we're done. Hope you enjoy Lati kitchen. Yeah, good girl. I'm gonna eat steamed fish. Yeah. Some of my crackers, my pumpkin, every little thing that go together with this nice clean fish. Nice. Well, I'm not say look enough and all of that, but girl belly have to full, man belly have to full. Everybody got to eat and be merry.